Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to enable third-party cookies in Google Chrome. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. In the top right corner, click on the three dots menu icon. From the menu, choose Settings. A new tab will open with your browser settings. On the left side, click on Privacy and Security. Now, select Cookies and Other Site Data. This page controls how Chrome handles cookies. You will see different options. To make sure Cloudhq works, you should allow third-party cookies. Scroll until you find the option called Allow All Cookies. Select it. This ensures that third-party cookies are not blocked by default. If you do not want to allow all cookies, you can allow them only for specific websites. To do this, stay on the same page and scroll down to the section called Sites that can always use cookies. Click Add, and then type in the address of the site you want to allow, such as cloudhq.net. Make sure the box for including third-party cookies is checked, then click Add. When you finish, close the Settings tab. The changes are saved automatically. That is how you enable third-party cookies in Google Chrome for Cloudhq support. Thanks for watching.